Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. You know, a lot of people say, I never have to make a figure eight out on the street. Why would I possibly practice something so stupid? Well, here's why. Because in order to perform a figure eight, you must use the three most important techniques. Your head and eyes, the most important. Friction zone, a little bit of rear brake. We have here 24 foot wide by 36 foot long leg. There's a, right in the middle, I put an X. My wife is going to demonstrate this. She's going to run that X over, and every time she runs it over, she's going to turn her head and try to find it again. The sooner she finds that X and crosses over it, the easier it's going to be. It's a quick head and eyes. This will test your skills. If you can't do this, you need some more practice with both head and eyes, the most important technique, because you use it at all speeds. And you need a little bit more work with the friction zone and the rear brake. So Donna's going to demonstrate it. Come on in here. Keep the camera right here. I'm going to step out of the picture. She runs over the X, she turns ahead and tries to find it again. Halfway around, she'll be able to see it. She runs it over, turns ahead, tries to find it again. Every time you pass that X, you turn your head and find it again. Nothing to it. You know the proper techniques. I want you to know we now have our special lower prices. We have lower prices by a third. We have them on the website, so you can order on the website, or you can call 866-868-7433. We're in the office from 9 to 9 Eastern Standard Time. That means you can stop calling us from Australia at 3 o'clock in the morning, because you can now order on the website and get the same low price. You need this video. It's going to change your riding life. You think riding's fun now. Imagine if you actually knew what the hell you were doing. Until next week.